In this video, I'll be showing you two different ways to add audios on CapCut. It's very simple and easy. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. So to do that, you can see I've added this video here and I want to add an audio to this section. I can move to the import here. This is the first option. And then I select the audio I want to import and I tap on OK. And good, you can see this here. So I just come on here and I tap on the audio like this. And you see I have the audio added to this video. And also I can use CapCut inbuilt audio. So you can see this here. You can find this option on the mobile phone too as well. Just tap on that here. And you just need to download the audio. You can see some of them are premium, some of them are free. So you can see the download here. Just download it. I've downloaded this already. So I just tap on it here to add it to as well. And now you can, edit your audio. You just tap on the audio here. And now you can see the volume and all that. You can edit all of them here. And all these ones are for premium version. If you have premium version, you can edit that. So that's it on how you add an audio on CapCut. Very much simple and easy. And also how to edit these audios. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.